You, I've been trying hard to keep my cool, but when you Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, what's up? My name is Nikki French and we are going to do a summer makeup tutorial. So I know I say it every single time I'm on here, but I've been waiting for warm weather. I wanted to do something that was fresh and light. I mean, don't get me wrong, there's a lot of face makeup, but it's a really quick, easy application, especially the eyeshadow. It was so fast. No liner, just big fluffy lashes. I feel like that screams summer to me anyways. So if you guys want to see how I created this beat, just stay tuned. All right, let's prime that face. We're using Smashbox Primer Water. This is in So Chill Coconut in collaboration with Nicole Concilio. And we're picking up two foundations here, the Too Faced Peach Perfect and the Jouer High Essential Full Coverage Foundation. I wanted enough coverage, but I also still wanted like some dewiness from the Too Faced. I also took another shade of the Too Faced and I wanted to get a little bit more dewiness from that, because again, this is a summer look. We are wearing a lot of makeup, but I still wanted to look fresh. So I just put it on basically all the outer portions of my face. I'm using the Tarte Creaseless Concealer, and by the way, this is amazing. This is the first time I've used it in this tutorial, and it is so high coverage. It's beautiful, and it sets beautifully as well. Now I'm using the Milk Makeup. This is a lip and cheek tint, and I also put a little bit on my forehead. It just gives like a nice soft, almost like you were in the sun. I'm using the also another new product, Pure Translucent Setting Powder underneath the eyes, and then I also put a little bit on the forehead. I'm talking about a little bit, and then also I baked for literally 30 seconds. I didn't want it to be too matte, again, because it's a summer look. We have a theme going here. And now I'm picking up the Morphe 8H palette. This is a highlighting and contouring palette. We're also going to be using it on our eyes today. Super simple eye look, like I mentioned at the beginning of the video. And I'm basically just kind of mixing all of the colors together. That's why I haven't pointed to which ones I'm using, because I'm just kind of playing around with all of them. And I also took the gold and I plopped it right on the center of my lids, and it gave such a beautiful pop. Like, I was so surprised on how pigmented even it was on the eyes. I put on the brow bone, down the nose, all the places where we love to highlight. And now I'm taking that contour shade, the warmer one, the one that's a little bit more like a bronzer, and I placed that just in the crease and then blew it out on my lower lash line. Again, super easy, the eyes, but it still looks glam and summer and fresh. Now I'm using the BH Cosmetics Club Tropicana palette, and I'm just putting that pop of yellow right in the corner, just like for something a little extra. And now we're also picking up the BH Cosmetics Eyelights in the color Fresh, and I wanted a little bit more pop on the inner corner. I'm going to be using some mascara. This is the Voluminous Lash Paradise by Loreal, and we're going to coat those top lashes. And now onto some lip liner. This is the Makeup Forever Aqua Lip in 1C. And then to top that off, I'm using the H2 Gloss by Tarte in Sandy Toes. Look how beautiful that is over any nude or pink lip. I did put a little bit of translucent powder before putting my lower lash on, because it helps from anything transferring. I popped some false lashes on. These are Smoochi by Morphe, and they're one of my absolute new favorites. I'm using the Anastasia Dip Brow in the color Soft Brown, and I'm just picking up on the back of my hand and really warming it up first. I started placing pressure a little bit harder, a little bit softer, and then I just put a little bit of translucent powder, and that will make everything set. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It helps me out so much. And if you aren't subscribed, where are you at? Subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, the little bell, to keep up on all of the videos that I post so you get a little notification. And with that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys.